Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk about Boston Whaler's 2018 230 Outrage 60th Anniversary Edition. Let's start with the profile of the boat. As you can see, it's got beautiful lines. It's got a deep V hull, and it's got a lot of freeboard. So it's meant to take on the bigger water. It takes on good sized waves for a 23-foot boat safely and dryly. Also have a stainless steel rub rail insert, which really looks nice for giving it an extra flair, extra style to it. As we move around to the back of the boat, we have a 4-step ladder. A lot of boats have 3. This is 4. It makes that first step much easier to get on the boat. Got your trim tabs, and it's powered by the Mercury Verado 300, which is plenty of horsepower to get this boat up and going. It's mid 40s to maybe upper 40s, depending on how it's trimmed. And so plenty of power to get you offshore in a hurry. And let's step on board and see the rest. Here we are up aboard the 230 Outrage. Let's start with the back of the boat. Got some rod holders on starboard side, drink holders. And as we move around towards the back, and also if you're coming on the boat, if you need to rinse anything off, you've got a handheld sprayer right here. You can rinse yourself off, rinse the fish off, rinse your equipment off. It's right there. Two rod holders in the back. And then very convenient live well on the back of the boat. And when you're fishing, you've got tow reels all the way along both sides. You can hook your toes underneath. It's a much safer, especially if you're catching a big fish, you won't get pulled in the water because you're hooking your toes on it. If we are going to the beach, restaurant, sunset, whatever it may be, pull this right out if you're not fishing. Nice, comfortable 2-person adult seating right here. Put that back away. And as I flip around this way, this does a couple of different things. So you can open this, gives you a nice prep station right here. Cutting up bait, you name it, filleting, everything right here. When you're all done, it goes away. So nice feature to this seat. And the other feature it has is it will turn into another seat. So if you want to fish backwards, very comfortable sitting on the back of the boat. I can have 2 people fishing off the back of the boat. So nice forward seating, aft seating, either one, take your pick. Does them both very, very well. Then up in the helm, very comfortable 2-person seat up at the helm. Comfortable bolsters, and you also have the cooler underneath, and it's got a locking mechanism there that you can keep it. It won't be sliding around, so it's safely out of the way, not taking up any space. Great location for that. Whalers, we do not order them in with electronics, so you can see two places right here. It'll fit very nicely 2 9-inch units, touchscreen, so you can put 1 or 2. If you're going to put 1, you put it here, and then the second one you could add there if you want. It'll hold a VHF radio, no problem. Stereo, all your rockers right here. Trim tabs, traditional Whaler steering wheel. And then you get the digital throttle and shift, which is so nice. It's fly-by-wire now, so once you put it in gear, if you push it, it goes. It's not push, 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 and then it starts to go. It's very sensitive to the fact that whatever you need, it does it right away. So the digital throttle and shift is a very nice feature. Got a half windshield, so it gives you some protection, wind and rain. And then your T-top, and place to keep your life jackets up top, out of the way, but conveniently placed if you need them, with 4 rocket launchers behind you. So plenty of places to keep your fishing gear. And as we move to mid-cabin, we've got a porta potty set up in there. It is a pump out, and you've got plenty of room. So using the body and using the head, you want to change your clothes, there's room to change your, if you want to go from fishing gear to swimsuits or back into clothing to go into a restaurant, plenty of room to do it privately right in there. As we move to the bow of the boat, we've got chrome plated stainless steel reels all the way along. So it gives you something to hold on to whenever you're walking around the boat. So you've got plenty, you've got it all the way surrounded here. Then 2-person comfortable seats. So again, if you are just going to the beach or out for the sunset, great place to watch the sunset right here. And also you have storage, right? You can keep ice down coolers, you can keep beverages, all that stuff right inside there convenient for the people in the bow of the boat. You've got storage down the bottom, more storage underneath here, and then this is where your anchor is mounted here, and this is all non-skid right here. So this is you can actually fish off the bow of the boat without having obstructions on either side. So speakers down below. Sound system's fantastic on the boat. So there you have it. It's the 230 Outrage. It's a great boat for around here because it'll fish the backwaters very well. It's shallow draft, but if you do want to go offshore, it'll get you offshore, no problem. Bigger waves, no problem. It's a dry boat. It's the safest boat. It's a whaler. It won't sink. So if you have any questions on it, my name is Bob Freeman. Please give me a call at 603-213-1194.